Hey y'all, today we're making special TikTok feta pasta. Stay tuned. Step 1, get you with LEVO. Step 2, turn that bad boy on.
Step 3, open that bad boy up.
Step 4, place 7 grams of your favorite herb into the LEVO.
Close it back up.
Alright guys, now we're going to activate it for 45 minutes on 240 degrees. The activation is complete, y'all.
Now we're just going to open that bad boy up.
Now we're just going to pour some olive oil into the LEVO. This is the virgin olive oil that we're using. And once it's filled up to the max line, we're just going to close it up. Alright y'all, now we're going to infuse it for 2 hours on 175 degrees. See y'all then. The infusion is complete, y'all. Now just grab any container of your choice and dispense. And look at all that delicious special olive oil.
Gong!
We just added some special sauce to the tomatoes.
Gong! Gong!
Dump your noodles. Mix it up. Smells so good. Here's the finished product, y'all.